Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am actually in this Jammers Den because they are apparently doing a giveaway, and I always report them first because they might actually I don't know, what's your, it's my user. Oops. There we go. Okay. My U team is my user. My vid is, oh my god, Via is my users. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna keep. Hi, I'm Peck Undercover JK Cockle. Guys, last time I did this, I got scammed, so heck no. Not doing it, so. Yeah. If you, hold on. If you scam, I'm posting this. Oh. Wow, guys. LOL recorded. Go check this out on my, yeah. Oh, I recorded. Oh, sorry guys, my cap is broken, so I might have to stop. Well, we just caught another scammer, guys, so make sure you go report that person. And make sure y'all subscribe. And I don't know. But yeah, I will see y'all in my next video when I catch another scammer. So, bye.